So I'll be showing you how to hide your birthday on Instagram. Now, if your birthday is public, then Instagram will notify your friends on Instagram that it's your birthday and will encourage them to send you messages and talk to you. Okay, so to ensure you hide your birthday on Instagram, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right and then select Accounts Center. Now, under Account Center, tap on Personal Details, and then go ahead and tap on your date of birth. And then you should see who can see your birthday on Instagram. So tap on that, and then tap on Change Visibility on Instagram, and then you want to select No One. So in case it's set to followers you follow back, that means friends on Instagram, they can see your birthday. Your close friends list will be notified when it's your birthday. But if you don't want anybody being notified about your birthday, set that to no one and then tap on save in the top right corner and you should be good to go. That is basically how to hide your birthday on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.